Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to add a calendar date picker in your Google Sheets. So let's get straight in. The first thing you want to do is jump into the Google Sheets you'd like to add your date picker to. And I've got a column over here and I'm just selecting one single cell. Now this is the first step. The next thing you need to do is go up to the menu and you're going to look for data. Now, once you have opened data, you want to go all the way down and look for data validation. Once you've clicked on data validation, a window will pop up on the right hand side, and here you can add a rule. So let us tap on add rule, and here we get to apply the following cells to our range. So what we're going to use is a semicolon, and then you are going to enter in the last cell. So H6 is my first cell, so I want us to run all the way down to here, which is H15. So in there we are going to just type in H15. So now you can see that is the range of cells. Underneath criteria, you can use this drop down menu, and here you can use the is valid date option. And here, once you've done, you can leave these options as they are, and we can click on done on the bottom of the window. We can now close this, and you will see now that every one of these cells will allow you to use that date picker. All you have to do is double click on it. You can now see where the date is that you'd like, and then you can select it. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We will see you in another amazing video. Bye-bye.